Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of soggy, microwaved hot dogs and want that real concession stand taste at home, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down the top 6 hot dog roller and steamer machines on Amazon right now, from budget-friendly countertop rollers to diner-style steamers. I have used these products, and they are all high-quality products that I highly recommend. I have mentioned all the pros and cons here. I think this one is my top 6 pick. However, you may prefer a different product depending on your needs and preferences. Let's get right into it. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Nostalgia 2-slot hot dog and bun toaster. Kicking things off with something a little different. This isn't a roller, it's a toaster. And honestly, it's a fun little gadget. I love that it toasts your buns and warms your dogs at the same time, so everything's ready together instead of juggling 2 appliances. It's compact, has a retro diner look that's genuinely cute on a countertop, and it's super beginner friendly. Just drop it in and go. The downside is capacity. You're limited to a couple of hot dogs and buns at once, so it's not ideal if you're feeding a crowd or hosting a party. It also doesn't give you that classic rolled and browned all over texture you get from an actual roller machine. Great for a quick solo lunch or a nostalgic throwback snack, but if you're cooking for family movie night or game day, you'll probably outgrow this one fast. Pros: compact, retro design, toasts bun plus dog together, easy to use. Cons: small capacity, doesn't fully replicate roller-style texture. Product number 2. Nostalgia Extra Large Diner-Style Steamer Experience. This one's a step up if you want that authentic ballpark steam dog experience. The extra large capacity is the real selling point here. You can steam a bunch of hot dogs and buns at once, which makes it awesome for parties, tailgates, or just meal prepping for the week. The steaming method also keeps the dogs juicy instead of drying them out, and buns come out soft and warm, not crispy. It's got that classic diner aesthetic too, which looks great in photos and videos. On the downside, steaming means you won't get any browning or char, so if you like a little crisp on your hot dog, this isn't going to deliver that. It also takes up a decent chunk of counter space, so smaller kitchens might struggle to store it. Overall though, for pure volume and that soft, juicy steam dog vibe, this is a solid pick, especially for entertaining. Pros: large capacity, keeps dogs juicy, soft warm buns, great for parties. Cons: no browning crisp texture, bulkier footprint. Product number 3. Seeutek Hot Dog Roller 7 Rollers. Now we're getting into true roller territory, and this Seeutek model is a really solid all-rounder. 7 rollers means you can cook a good batch at once, and the rolling motion gives you that classic, evenly browned, slightly crispy exterior that screams convenience store hot dog in the best way. It heats up quickly, temperature control is simple, and cleanup is pretty painless thanks to the removable drip tray. I also appreciate that it doubles as a warmer, so you can prep ahead and keep things hot for guests. On the flip side, some users note the rollers can run a little hot if you're not paying attention, so overcooking is an easy mistake early on. It's also a single-tier design, so once those 7 rollers are full, you're out of room. Still, for the price point and performance, it's a great entry into roller-style cooking at home. Pros: even browning, quick heat up, doubles as a warmer, easy cleanup. Cons: can overcook if unwatched, single-tier limits batch size. Product number 4. CROSSON Hot Dog 7 Roller. The CROSSON roller is very similar in concept to the Seeutek, but brings its own strengths to the table. What stood out to me is the stainless steel build quality. It feels sturdy and more commercial grade than some of the other budget rollers out there, which is reassuring if you're planning to use it often. The non-stick rollers also make food release and cleanup noticeably smoother. Heating is even across all 7 rollers, so you're not left with cold spots or unevenly cooked dogs. On the downside, the temperature dial can feel a bit imprecise, so there's a slight learning curve to nailing your ideal doneness. It's also a bit noisier during operation than I expected, which isn't a deal breaker, but worth mentioning. If build quality and durability are high on your list, this one edges out some competitors, even if the temperature control isn't the most refined. Pros: sturdy stainless build, non-stick rollers, even heating. Cons: imprecise temp dial, slightly noisy operation. Product number 5. FOHERE Hot Dog Roller, 7 rollers. The FOHERE roller is another 7-roller option, and what I really like here is the versatility. People use this thing for way more than just hot dogs, including taquitos, egg rolls, and sausages, which makes it a more multi-purpose kitchen gadget. It's lightweight, easy to move around or store, and the price point tends to be pretty competitive compared to similar models. The drip tray is also generously sized, which helps keep your counter clean. That said, being lighter also means it feels a little less premium in the hand compared to the CROSSON, and a few users mention the non-stick coating wearing down faster with heavy use over time. It's also worth noting the manual controls are pretty basic. Don't expect digital precision here. Still, if you want an affordable, multi-use roller that isn't just a one-trick pony, FOHERE is worth serious consideration. Pros: versatile, more than just hot dogs, lightweight, affordable, big drip tray. Cons: feels less premium, coating may wear over time, basic controls.
Product number 6. VEVOR Hot Dog Steamer. Closing out the list with another steamer option, VEVOR brings a more commercial-style build to the table. This one's designed with visibility in mind. A clear window lets you keep an eye on your dogs and buns without opening the unit and losing heat, which is a nice touch. It's got separate compartments for buns and dogs, so nothing gets soggy or overcooked from cross-contact, and the capacity is solid for gatherings. Build quality feels more heavy-duty overall, closer to what you'd see at a real concession stand. The trade-offs are similar to other steamers. No crisping or browning, and this unit runs on the pricier side compared to basic roller machines. It's also a bit bulkier, so measure your counter space before buying. If you want that true steamed ballpark-style dog with commercial-grade reliability, VEVOR is a strong finisher on this list. Pros: clear viewing window, separate compartments, commercial-style build, great for groups. Cons: no browning or crisp texture, higher price point, bulkier size.
And that wraps up our top 6 hot dog rollers and steamers. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Check the description for links. See you next time.